Right now, if you're watching this right now, within the next who knows how long, we are in a pandemic. And what does that mean? We are wearing masks everywhere. So if you wanted braces and you didn't want to show them, now would be the time to get it, because everybody's wearing masks. You have masks on all the time. Hey guys, Dr. Nate here, Thrive Dental and Orthodontics at our brand new location in Saxe, Texas. Yes, we opened up 2 dental offices during the COVID pandemic. Not quite sure what we were thinking, but let's start talking about a different topic. Let us talk about why you should get braces rather than Invisalign. The easiest thing I tell patients all the time is honestly, it is just way easier. Braces are so much easier than Invisalign, and the reason is this. With Invisalign, you have to take these things on and off probably 6, 7, 8 times a day, because whenever you're eating, drinking, any of that stuff, you take it off, you put it to the side, do your thing, and then you gotta brush these things, brush your teeth and put them back in. And you do that every time you're having a snack, having dinner, having coffee, having wine, having something nice. You need to take them off and put them back on. It's a lot of work. It's tough. And then you have to do that at work. You have to do that at school. You have to do that, just all the time during the day. So I think that is quite a bit more difficult than just braces. Braces, we glued them on and that's pretty much it. They're glued on, they're gonna stay on there, hopefully for the duration of treatment, so there's not anything that you have to take on and off. Sure, eventually you're probably gonna do rubber bands, but you do rubber bands with Invisalign anyway, so yeah, Invisalign is quite a bit more difficult when it comes to taking on and off the trays and just the overall treatment. All right, reason number 2 why I think braces can be cooler, sometimes maybe for the kids, is you get to change your colors. You're not doing that with Invisalign, but you're doing that with braces. Say it's Valentine's Day, which is coming up soon, you can do reds. If it's Christmas time, you can do greens and reds. You can switch them up and kind of give all these cool patterns. I know when I had braces, I thought that was cool. I know the kids, that's probably like the number one questions people ask me is what colors can they get? So I think that is a big advantage of braces over Invisalign. All right, the third thing that I think is more beneficial with braces is you can get started like immediately. I mean, you come in for a consult, you can get started that same day. So you'll walk out an hour later with braces. That's how quick it is. You come in, you say, cool, everything's really good. You're walking out with braces. Invisalign, even if you think everything looks amazing, you wanna go for it, let's do it right now. At some of our offices, we have an iTero scanner so we can scan you right then. Invisalign honestly gets that scan within like a few minutes and we have to go back and forth, but it still takes a long time to get your trays. I mean, probably the fastest we can get them back is like 3 weeks-ish, 4 weeks or something like that. So it takes a little while to get started. Same thing, you're not gonna get all your trays most of the time. You'll get a good amount of trays, but almost always, like 90% of the time, you're gonna need another set of trays. And so you're gonna go through your set of trays, we'll scan you, and then you're gonna need another set of trays. So there's a little bit of this kind of downtime. Braces, you start, like I mentioned, we put them on, and that's it. We're going through the whole treatment. So it's definitely faster to get started with braces. All right, the 4th reason I think it's easier to have braces over Invisalign is that braces can pretty much treat almost anything. Braces, we use that for surgery cases when they have big surgeries. You need teeth taken out, you have a big overbite or big underbite, stuff like that. You can treat with braces. Sometimes you can treat that stuff with Invisalign, but it is just way more difficult. Definitely have more flexibility with braces rather than Invisalign. So if your case is a little bit more difficult, super crowded, maybe we need to take teeth out, yes, you can potentially do that with Invisalign, but it is so much easier to do with braces. So that potentially can be another reason why you want to choose braces over Invisalign. All right, guys, and the 4th and final reason I think it's probably a good idea to take braces over Invisalign is because right now, if you're watching this right now, within the next who knows how long, we are in a pandemic. And what does that mean? We are wearing masks everywhere. So if you wanted braces and you didn't want to show them, now would be the time to get it, because everybody's wearing masks. You have masks on all the time. That is a good reason why you'll be camouflaged. Nobody's really gonna see that you have braces. All right, guys, there you go. That is it. Those are my top 5 reasons why I think you can get braces over Invisalign. All All right, guys, there you have it. Those are the top 5 reasons why I think braces can be better than Invisalign. If you enjoy this, please subscribe below. You know I'm trying my best to put out videos every single week. It is getting a little tough because we're opening multiple offices at the same time during a pandemic, but I'm still trying my best. And you know I'm trying to answer all your questions and comments below, so please leave them, and I will see you next week.